It's a mega project story. And yeah, we want to teach you about how to use Play Pro and OBS. So, too many people have been on my comment saying I should do a video of how can I use Play Pro and OBS. The last video I did is Play Pro and Venice, and this time around I want to teach you how to use Play Pro and OBS. Let's get started. And one, you download your Play Pro Vision on Google Play Store. Then the interface may not be like this. The interface may just be something simple. What you just need is just for you to create your own scene. You create your own scene. So let me see how I can show you how to create. Come to manage service here. Now, when you come to manage service, what you do on your phone, this is your phone first. Come to manage service, then come to add. Let me add. Now, you now see different apps on here. You say Play Pro local lineup. Click on local lineup. Then click on this one. This one I'll change this antenna. That's like mass antenna. You name it first. Let me name it test. Testing. Then click on it. Then click next. Click next. Also add channel. Okay, we have channel now. This is you are using SRT. Forget you remember you use stream. When you use stream, you come down with SRT. This remember, you are the listener. Yeah, don't forget that one. You are the listener. Use your setup and it's okay. And don't forget your network port and your network IP. So you are dealing with your network IP address and your network port. Okay. Remember, you are using stream, not play. You can change your resolution here to, and if your phone accepts up to 4K, you can use it on 1080. Put your quality on 1080, then you need to do what you need to add it. Just add. When you add like that, remember your IP address. Then you go back. Then it will apply here. See it here, testing. When you click on testing, it's going to show play, but don't do like that yet. Let's come back here, manage server, then come to testing. You need it to do something. Come to testing, click on testing, then click on that testing again. No, sorry. Click on these 3 dots. So allow it to load. Yeah, click on the 3 dots. What you need is your IP and your port. Your IP and your port. Then you come to OBS. Open OBS. Then come to media. You add new media. When you add new media, you remove this local file. Remove the local file. When you remove the local file, then you will do something for me like this. You put this format, you input. I will put in your comment section. You just see it like this. Just using input. You are using this input. Don't forget the port on your phone. You are using the port on your phone. The port on your phone is saying 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 5,000. Then the IP address 20.55. That's your last digit. That's what you need to change. Depending on your network IP. 20.55. Yeah. Now 10.55. Then you now use an input format. Let me check my browser again. Input format. to do it, I check for it online. This is the format you can use. Set the input format field to explicitly to mpeg. Now you sabi that one. Just use this input format. I have it before, but for me to go and get it, it's going to be a little bit long. So you go online and search for it, then it will give you this. Then when after you do all this one, you now click OK. You can use hardware. Use hardware encoder when it's available. You can click on it if you like. Then click OK. When you click OK, you now go back on your phone. You go back. Then you click on testing again. Then you start the stream. When you start the stream, sometimes it may not show here, but click on fade it to the program. It should come up now. See it now? It come up now. So this is my phone. This is my system. So see it there. So sometimes you need to fade it to the program. If you do not fade it on your program, it may not show because it's SRT. If it is NDI now, NDI may likely show. So you get. I switch my camera. I'm expecting it to come fast. Let me start again. Let me fade it back. Maybe the front camera is not transmitting. So that's just how you connect it on OBS. It's very simple process. Make sure you know your IP, know your ports, and what type. The IP, the number, the SRT, something I put on the video and everything input format. I will put it on the video description. So check it and follow it step by step. Don't make any mistake. If you make any step, watch it again and check it again. So it's very simple to understand. Just follow the simple steps. See it here. This is me here. Yeah, this is me here. It's very simple. Just follow the input format. If you do not get it, check it online. Everything is there. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. This is Mega Project Story, and we are here to bring every solution, any updates to your doorstep. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section also as well. If I see your comment, I will respond to you via a video or any other mix. Thank you very much for staying here. God bless you.